Hi, welcome or welcome back. My name is Tish. This is my son.
Hello.
Your name is?
Evan.
All right. Today we are going to unbag our, I'm going to say, LiveGlam by Morphe. It is a monthly brush subscription, and figure it's a good way to build up my brush collection. Starting out, I don't really have a lot of makeup brushes. So first thing that we got for setting up our account, and that would be the Morphe E15.
Ooh.
And it is a deluxe oval shadow brush. And the value of this is $9. Oh, here we go. And that is what that looks like. You want to try see how soft it is?
That is extremely soft. Even for a small brush, that is soft.
Yeah, but it's a shadow brush.
Soft.
That's kind of big for... you can pack on some eyeshadow with that, I guess. All right, the next brush we have is the R6, which is a flat buffer brush. And it does not want to come out of its home.
Well, that looks extremely fluffy.
And that is what that looks like. Hold on.
Okay.
It's not very dense. All right, you play with that for a second. All right, what it says about the flat buffer brush. This full coverage kabuki style foundation brush with densely packed synthetic bristles will buff your foundation to an airbrushed finish. And the value of that is $17.
It feels softer than a kitten.
It feels softer than a kitten?
Yeah.
All right, so this is going to be our next brush. And it is the R11 Deluxe Oval Shadow Brush. And its value is $11. And that is what that looks like. And I'm not really sure. It seems, I mean, I guess if you're doing an all-over wash of color, it's nice and soft. But it's huge.
Oh, this is softer than the other one.
All right, so it says, sometimes bigger really is better. Not only does this shadow brush effortlessly sweep color all over the lid, it's also great for applying highlight. Okay, I could see, don't push the bristles in, goofball. I could see applying highlight with this. All right, and last brush we have.
Come out of there.
Maybe.
Come out of there.
Is, hold on, the R13 Pointed Contour Brush. And that is what that looks like. Contour? I guess so. It's nice and soft. Okay, the R13 Pointed Contour. This tapered brush is a metamorphosis queen. Not only can you use its dense defined tip for a dramatic contour, but also to buff cream products, dust away excess powder, or apply blush. All right, so this subscription is $19.99 a month, and these are the brushes that came with the subscription, and this is the brush that came for signing up for an account. I think this is definitely going to be a good way to grow my brush collection. Is it soft?
Yeah, it tickles.
Let's see.
It tickles.
Oh yeah, you could do a little bit of foundation buffing with that. Yeah. And what I'm concerned about is this one. It's kind of big for eyeshadow, but you know, a little bit of highlight. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm definitely keeping this subscription for a while at least.
Oh, that is so fluffy combined.
I know. Makeup brushes are usually pretty nice and fluffy.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, that's what we got this month from LiveGlam Morphe brush subscription. I'm going to have to find all the little plastic pieces now and find a trash can.
Oh, you're sitting on your brush.
Oh, goodness. I'm a mess. It's okay. All right, so that's it for today. If you like this kind of thing, hit the thumbs up button. If you don't like this kind of thing, let me know. Hit the thumbs down button. If you'd like to stick around, join the family. Hit the subscribe button. I totally forgot what I was supposed to say there. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell. Go up to all, and YouTube will let you know every time I upload a video. All right.
Yes.
So I hope everyone has an absolutely amazing day.
Stay safe.
And I'll see you on the next video.
Bye.